Good morning. Good afternoon, sorry. Actually, good morning. So yesterday in Sydney it was like 36, 37 degrees. So it's freaking hot. And then today it's like 20 now. Beautiful day. Sunny, beautiful day. So it's time for a ride. Thank you for all of the viewers. I can't thank you all guys enough. I have freaking 1,000 subscribers now. Look at that. Amazing. You guys are amazing. Thank you. So today I'll bring you guys to another famous biker spot. It's Perouse. So it's gonna be quite a drive actually. It's like 30 plus kilometers or 20 plus kilometers. So it's gonna be a long ride. Good morning. Here we go. I know some commented on the video that the wind noise was crazy, so today I've decided to put it in my side pocket jacket. So thank you for your suggestion. Hopefully this time it gets better. Hopefully you can still hear the engine, because that's what you guys are here for. But saying that, hopefully it fixes the wind noise that we had. But that ride was awesome. Like, oh my god, it's cold. Ugh. I know it's freaking sunny, but it's like 22 degrees or 20 degrees, so I could feel it in my bones. It's gonna be a cold day, a cold ride. Thank God I'm not complaining. It's much better than what I had yesterday. So again today we're shooting at DJI Action 5 Pro and our Insta360 X4. And when we get to our destination, and we're gonna pull out the drone, get some awesome shots for you guys. I gotta remember to keep my head up so you guys can have a better view. Oh my god. It's like training an old dog a new trick. Oh my god. I gotta keep my head up so you guys get a much better field of view. And last vlog, my thank you to the message wasn't recorded, so today, in behalf of every riders out there, thank you to our wives and partners for letting us do what we love to do, which is ride in the middle of the day before the family stuff actually happens. Because, you know, fellas, it's like, this is like the reward. So after this ride it's gonna be a whole fun day of family day. But it's actually my day off on a Monday, so this day was supposed to be a family day, and she was kind enough to let me ride first. and give you guys something to watch for this week before we all start another week of hard work. What do we have here? Lambo in the car to the side, so hopefully everyone's good. Not gonna cause any delay in the traffic. We just have to go through and hope for the best for that guy. Hopefully not. Let's grab some gas actually. Where would I grab some gas? Let's go Shell, I guess. Let's go other way. Oh, I almost see that? Almost. My God. Gotta be more careful, Jovan. You have a freaking huge bike. Like that.
Brother, your box just open. It's open.
We're back here in Sydney, guys. We're currently now under the tunnel. So it's an engineering feat. This place is amazing, man. We're going under the freaking harbor. We're with the fishes. We are with the sharks. I just cannot imagine how you build something like that. Everyone's following the speed limit. You just have to go 80 and that's it. Even though it's clear, no one is going past 80 because of that. And I'll point it out to you. And that, I think, those are cameras. And they're out there to get you. Cameras?
Sampaguita blooms like the time we shared, laughing under street lights without a single care. You were my best friend till the lines got blurred. Chased a dream together, but I never found the words. Oh, the nights we'd wander, hearts so wild and free. Every wrong turn led to where I'm meant to be. Though we're far apart, I still hear our song in the echoes of the saxophone. I'm moving on. Oh, Manila nights, we were young and alive, chasing love but never quite getting it right. Oh, Manila nights, oh, still in my heart. Every misadventure was a work of art. Now the saxophone plays and I'm smiling wide for every girl who's ever walked right by my side. There was the one who lit my sky like a fireworks show, but she burned out too fast and I had to let her go. Then the one who danced with me under monsoon skies, but even her laughter couldn't dry my eyes. Oh, Manila nights, we were young and alive. I'm chasing love, I really wanted it right. Oh, Manila nights, oh, they're still in my heart. Every misadventure was a work of art. took. Every stolen moment, every longing look. Now the saxophone cries, and I'm lost in the sound of old Manila nights when my heart was found. Old Manila nights, still young and alive, still chasing.
Okay, welcome to La Perouse. Let's come closer. It's just a freaking half an hour drive from Sydney. No, sorry, half an hour drive from where I live, so not too bad, not too bad. Look at that view. The wind is crazy. Oh my god. I don't know if I can fly my drone in these conditions. I'm gonna lose it for sure. Oh my god. Look at that view. Any luck today?
Yeah, just got here.
Gotcha.
The guys that just saw leaving said they had no luck.
Oh,
But
it's
that's not the fun.
part of the fun, right?
All catching.
It is the setting. Fishing, yeah.
Wait.